The Synchrony high yield savings account. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, as an individual, you may be seeking a better way to grow your savings, and a high yield savings account probably is a great option. However, which one should you be using? Well, today we are going to the Synchrony high yield savings account, and we want to know if it's the right option, what they offer, and we also want to discuss one or two of their drawbacks. So let's do it. So, Synchrony Bank actually offers a high yield savings account that combines strong interest rates with user friendly features. It also comes with no monthly fees and it's got easy online access. It provides a practical solution for today's savvy savers. Let us actually dive into more of their details. Synchrony consistently offers competitive interest rates, making it really a smarter choice for anybody wanting to maximize savings. This really can lead to enhancing your returns compared to your more traditional savings accounts. Synchrony also offers ATM access, which is actually not offered by many of the savings accounts that we have spoken about before. This allows you to easily withdraw cash when you need it. The feature adds a layer of convenience for anybody who prefers that physical cash. The platform also provides a user-friendly online banking experience, making it convenient to manage your accounts pretty much any time and from anywhere. The accessibility is vital for more of the modern banking needs, and if you want to have a less of an in-person experience, this is probably a better choice. You can also enjoy savings without having to worry about any monthly maintenance fees, which kind of defeats the purpose. This helps you to maximize your earnings, and it's pretty advantageous for anyone that wants to save money. Synchrony also provides various account types and features, allowing you to customize according to your individual saving preference. The flexibility basically can cater to diverse financial situations or circumstances, and you can tailor make it for you. One of the last things that I want to actually discuss here is very important, probably one of the most important. So, if you've ever heard of FDIC insurance, your deposits are federally insured by the FDIC. So, this basically provides a crucial piece of safety for your savings. The assurance that you get is essential for anybody who really prioritizes security. This means that if in the case of any problems, you will not actually lose your savings. So it's actually your money is insured. I want to discuss one or two of the drawbacks, however, as I was going through Synchrony. The customer support hours can be slightly limited, so it could be a little bit inconvenient for anybody that's needing assistance outside of those typical hours. It may lead to delays. If you have an urgent issue, this could be a problem. It is really nice to have support 24/7, but unfortunately, Synchrony doesn't operate like that. Also, they do primarily operate online, meaning that there's no physical branches or any in-person banking. This could kind of deter a little bit for anybody that prefers that face-to-face interaction. They want a little bit of that human touch to your banking experience. Could be a bit of a downfall. Now, as you can see, it is a fantastic high yield savings account. It's got tons of features and it's really easy to use for anybody that is wanting to save money, medium term as well as long term. Now, if this really was a helpful view on the high yield savings account, please go ahead and drop us a like and share it with a friend. We'll see you next time.